Hello and welcome to another Glass of Bubbly video. My name is Oliver Walkie, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Prosecco Piña Colada cocktail. So let's get started. First, you're going to need some pineapple juice. You're going to need 120 ml of it to be precise. So in your jigger, pour in 50 ml, another 50 ml, and 20 in the other side. Now this cocktail set is available at VonShef.com. Now this is probably the best cocktail kit that I have. It's got a lovely smooth black finish, and it just feels great in the hand, so it's brilliant to work with. Then you want to get 60 ml of coconut milk. Bit messy there. That's 50 ml, so you just need 10 more. And there we go. Now we can start to shake this, just to blend it together. Shouldn't need long. That should be done there. Lovely. Now this, in the little booklet here that you actually get with the cocktail kit with inspiration, is a mocktail, but as we're adding Prosecco into it, it's no longer going to be a mocktail. That looks lovely right there. Now we're going to want to add in the Prosecco. This is from Voga. It's a lovely bottle, yet again. Love the sort of diamond shield shapes. Voga on the top as well. It's always nice when they have the caps branded. So just top up with some Prosecco there. And then to finish off, you can garnish with sort of a nice pineapple piece on the side. Now that looks really tempting.